Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. You will go to settings here. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Sketchbook. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your airplane mode and you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again, as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.